channel. I hope you're all doing well today watching this video. I'm filming in the kitchen today because I didn't want to risk going in the living room to film to wake up Cooper, who is asleep. So if you're new to my channel, I am a mum of two. I have two boys. One of my boys is 5 and the other one is 1. And I upload videos 3 times a week about all things motherhood and vlogging, but I also do a lot of home and life and cleaning, organizing, that kind of stuff. So stick around, come and join the family. So today's video, I wanted to do a video where I sort of sum up my best and most used mum products. Yeah, I've been a mum for just over 5 years now, and there are definitely certain products that come to mind when I think of things that I really couldn't parent without. Everything that I show you, if I can link it in the description, then I will. There might be certain items for whatever reason that I can't, but I will try my best to link everything that I can. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. Here is my favorite, most used mum must-have items. I hope you enjoy the video and come back soon. Okay, so my first must-have mum product is the Nappy Caddy. I could not be without this little nifty gadget. You keep all of your nappies in there, obviously. It's called a Nappy Caddy, so I keep it stocked up with nappies, but I also keep a little pouch in there with the nappy bags and another one with the nappy wipes, and basically everything that you could possibly need for a nappy change is all in one central portable space. I can also put bum creams in there, and I love to also put a spare dummy in my Nappy Caddy as well. You know, you never know when you're going to need a dummy. We're always losing them, so I always make sure I've got one in the pocket. But the best thing is it's portable, so you can pick it up and take it to whatever room that you need, and it's nice and discreet. I just put mine next to the sofa in our main family room, and it's always there when I need it. My next must-have mum item is my silicone placemats. You've probably seen me talk about these before, but I rate them so much. Obviously they are silicone, so they are completely wipeable. They keep your table safe, stop your table from staining or marking, because you can just wipe them down. You can even pick them up and put them in the dishwasher. You can remove them if you need to. They are just so easy and handy. My next mum product is my microwave steamer plate. This is such a nifty little gadget for steaming veg for your little ones really quickly and efficiently. It has this little tray inside, as you can see. All you have to do is put a little bit of water in the bottom, then you place the veg that you want to steam on top, and then you put the lid on top of this. There is a little hole, as you can see. You press the button and there's a little hole in the top of the plate so that the steam can escape. This means that the veg will come out super soft and ready for your little ones to eat. My next mum gadget is actually a brand new one for me. I recently got this one on Amazon, and it is a sofa blocker. If you're not sure what I mean, then just keep watching. The first thing that I did was just remove the protective film. Then it also comes with this handy double-sided tape, so you just need to work out how much you need, cut a little bit off and stick it to the bottom of the sofa blocker. Then you just place the sofa blocker underneath your sofa. As you can see, I've already installed one, so I'm just lining this one up so that it's straight and next to the other one. Just push down and make sure it's stuck. You can also cut them to size, which I needed to do for my last one to make it a bit shorter, but they are incredible, so discreet, and you will no longer be searching under the sofa to find those toys because they are blocked. My next mum product is this nifty little name stamp. Again, I recently got this on Amazon, and I've been going to town stamping everything for my son, especially his school things, making sure that his name is on everything. I'm just going to show you how to use it here on a t-shirt. You just get the label and find a nice blank place like this. And the stamp comes pre-full of ink, so all you have to do is just press down and then it stamps the name onto the product. You can do it on books, on bags, on anything that you think of. My next MUM product is my all-time favourite night light. This is so simple but so useful. It's not like other night lights because you never have to think about turning it on and off because it has a sensor. So all you do is just plug it into the wall like so. And that's it. You just leave it and wait for the room to get dark. I'll show you how it works here by making my son's room nice and dark. I'm going to pull down the blinds, I'm going to shut the door, and you will see for yourself that when the room gets dark, the light will automatically turn on. It also comes with a little dimmer, so you can choose how bright you want the light to be. And then in the morning, the light will go back off. But thank you so much for watching my latest video, guys. Please subscribe before you go, and I'll see you in my next one.